Alright guys, welcome to another exciting videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the bloatware of the system app or some of those apps that come with your phone that usually annoy you. So there are simple steps to follow and I hope you're going to learn a lot. And just do me one small favor. If you're going to learn something from this video, like and subscribe. Alright, let's go to the video. So alright, as you can see, there are some of these apps that come with the phone, the Phoenix browser, sometimes it's an extra music player, an FM radio if you don't want it, an extra calculator, it can be anything. In this video, you learn how to remove those things so that you use the phone the way you want because you spend the money on the phone. So, yeah. As you can see, some of these apps, they don't even allow you to remove them. The only option they can give you is to disable them or to force them to stop. What are some of the things that you're going to need? Say 5 MB is enough. You're going to download 2 apps and then you're going to need some kind of Wi-Fi. It could be just connecting to a hotspot or anything it can do. You don't even need to use the internet. It's just connection to Wi-Fi. It can be local or anything else. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do, we'll go on Google App Store. And then you're going to look for an app by the name of Shizuku. Once you find that app, download it. It's just a small app, as you can tell. It's quite small. So alright, so this video is entirely for people that are using Android phone. But if you are using an iPhone, you can just watch to learn 1 or 2 things. But otherwise, this is for Android operating system. So okay, once you're done downloading Shizuku, the second app you're going to need is an app by the name of Canta, C-A-N-T-A. That's the spelling there. You can just check the name there. It's a very small file. Just download this one as well. Alright, that's all you need. And the steps are easy to follow. So just watch, and at the end of this video, there's some very important things that I would want to mention. So stick around until the end of this video so that you know what you're supposed to do. Alright, now that you have downloaded those 2 apps, the next steps is you're going to put your phone in developer mode. How do you do that? Depending on your phone, mostly go on where it says about, you go to the settings, then you go to where it says about. Some phones might have a different menu, but just find where it says about the phone. This is why it tells you more about the phone. Then once you go there and about the phone, the Android phone, they'll say build number. So on that build number, just click continuously. Enter your password, your fingerprint, or any of your security measure that you've put on your phone. When you reach that stage, just enter your password and then you see a message. You're now a developer. Alright, now that you've confirmed that, you are going to open our Shizuku app. Then once you open a Shizuku app, it asks you to turn on notifications. This is very important, guys. Turn that on because you want the menu to pop at some point, to be very important. Alright, once you're done, you've already granted permission, where you're going to click on pair. This time around, you see there will be a button or where you can click developer option. Okay, so now that we've opened the developer option, looking for is called debugging. To be specific, it's written wireless debugging. Turn that one on. You're going to find 2 options. There's pair device with QR code, on pair device with code. Alright, so once you do that, it will bring this code here. By the way, this code is not even that private because it keeps changing, right? So it will bring a code here. You can use whatever means, copy and paste, whatever, but just enter the code anyway. You can go back to Shizuku. Yes. This time around on Shizuku, you are going to click on Start. You're going to see a lot of writings that might look like the ones you've seen in movies when hackers are doing stuff. Once you see those, something that will change is when you go back to Shizuku, on top there it will say Shizuku is now running. Click on where it says authorize this 0 application there. Once you click there, it will bring the Canta. You will see Canta is there. Just turn it on. Then you are done. That's the hard part. What follows next? This is just the easy part now. What you're going to do is you're going to navigate to where Canta is. Click on it, open it. There's a disclaimer there. Remember, these guys are not responsible for anything that might go wrong. So just say yes. And then click. There's a box there. You click on the app. Then there's like a bin down there. You click on it. It will ask you to delete. Then you delete. It will show you that it's a success. and then you find there's cancel, and then there's donate. So for this one, if you feel like this app has helped you a lot and you feel like you're in the position to help, you can donate to the owner of the app. I'm not the owner of the app, I'm just doing a video to show you how to delete. So this app allows you to delete one app or multiple apps at the same time. As you can see there in the video, I've shown you how to delete one app. Now this time around, I'm just going to click on randomly many apps. As you can see, those I can just remove them, there's no harm. All the apps you don't use, and then just delete. I hope you can tell that this is very easy to delete. It's just a matter of just clicking. And as you're looking for this app, I would advise just go for the names you can read and the apps you already know. Those that you're not too sure, maybe just leave them alone. And it also shows you, there's that green shows that it's safe to remove, yellow it's an advanced thing to remove, and then red or another color it's warning you not to remove, it's a system app. So let's not just get excited and remove everything, please. Alright, if you are still watching this part of the video, this is the one that I told you that stick around. So let's say you've deleted something you shouldn't have deleted. Don't worry. On top there you've seen there's a bin and a clock. Then on the other side there's a tab where there's a bin with an X. Just go there. That's where all the apps that you're deleting are going. So just go in that other bin there, you find all the apps that you've deleted are there. So just click on the box next to the app you want to restore, and then just click on the restore button. That's all. It's as simple as that. Alright, like I stated, there's some banking apps and other apps that usually get concerned when your developer mode is on. So what you're going to do, once you're done deleting, I would advise strongly to disable the developer mode by going to your settings or developer options, depending on the phone. Some devices will just turn it off. Other devices, like the one I'm using right now, would ask you to restart the phone. So just click on restart. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you've learned one or two things. If this video has helped you in any way, please subscribe to this channel for more content like this one. Thank you.